Hello everyone, my name is Emily Susi. I am from a small town outside of Bangor, Maine, which is in central Maine. I graduated from UNE for my undergrad with a major in medical biology and a minor in psychology. With my background from my undergrad degrees, behavioral health has always been a large interest to me. I studied psychology and took many classes related to addiction and addictive personalities. However, my last semester of undergrad, I also took a class that focused on women and the environment. This class talked about prominent women that have had influences on how we see the environment today. This has opened a new interest in the environment for me. I have always been interested in the medical aspect of everything. We are in a time where the environment is playing a large role in our health, and there are ample researchers working to identify these relationships. I'm excited to learn more about everything with the health and the environment from a public health aspect. I am most excited for week 2, looking at the zoonotic diseases, as well as week 4, looking at climate change. In the past 2 years, I have become very interested in all aspects of viruses, including zoonotic hosts and all things climate change. So I look forward to watching your videos and having a great 8 weeks.